Question 8, we're using the graph to determine the domain and range again. So this is the second variety of these that we've had. For the domains, we want to go from left to right. So our domain, the smallest value that we have, we come up to, but we don't include a -4. So -4 is less than x. And it goes all the way to, and it looks like it's stopping there at a 1. And it's including 1, less than or equal to 1. Then we have a jump, a break in our graph. Then we jump all the way to a 2. So now we're with x's again. It can't be equal to a 2, so x is going to be, or 2 is less than x, which then it picks it up from 2, it goes all the way to 8 and includes 8. So that's what it would look like using inequalities. If I break this into interval notation, it'd go from a -4 to 1. We'd union it with 2 to 8 inclusive. So those are the values for my domain. Then I want to make sure I go and get the ranges. So the ranges are going to be the values that I can pick up from the lowest part of the graph. So it looks like the lowest it goes is a -9. Doesn't touch -9. So now I'm working on the y value. So -9 is less than y, which is less than or equal to. It comes up to and includes a -2. And then, let's see. We got all those. Wait a minute, I don't even need to break it up because it keeps going up. There's some overlap here. The y value started at -9. I have all the y values covered until I get up to a positive. I guess I'd have to estimate that to be a 1 or maybe a little bit higher, 1.8, 1.9. So take off that less than a -2. It's going to be less or equal to whatever we're going to estimate that to be. I'd say it's got to be somewhere in the 1.8, 1.9. So let's take a look at our options. We got the y values that are going from a -9 all the way up to and including a number close to 2 here. Or let's see. How do we have? What do we got? Let's see. We got this that matches the domain, a -4 to 1. No, yes, that matches. And we have a -9 to 1.4. So I don't know where they're getting the 1.4. It definitely looks higher than 1.4 to me. But it looks like we should be looking at letter A for your domain range.